these last few days we've been down and looking at this bank is that because we've got livestock back in with foraging now, we've got cow pads going over those banks to a water point.
Yes.
So we're going to shift the water point, but those cow pads will probably be, I'll probably have to treat those.
That's right.
A bucket of dirt
Yes.
on each cow pad on the bank and it's fixed.
And many a site I've seen where one little cow pad has made the whole thing not work.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and yeah, it's...
So it gives us, you know, until you get livestock in and put a water point in, you get to see what the livestock are going to do. You get to see where they're going to put the cow pad in, where they're going to walk, what their behaviour pattern is. So,
yes.
I mean, this is the first season we've had back in with that water point there, so we're going to shift the water point.
Yes, because it's quite close to where the tank is, obviously.
Yeah. I mean, we put it close to the house because we've got a water point there.
Yeah.
I mean, we can keep an eye on the float level and the trough and everything from the house, but we're going to put it back up here and put a camera on it. So the water point's clear of the contour bank, and we get them off this area.
Yeah. And it should be a bit rocky up there.
It is. The subsoil's a lot better up there, and it holds, the ground holds together a lot.
So even for a relatively small grazier, small paddock, it's still important to be changing your position of things if you can.
Absolutely.
To make it work.
And each year is different. Yeah. We get good grass rain, we get flooding, torrential rain, we get no rain, we're in drought. Every year is a different year on a small scale that we are. Yeah. So it's not just a one, this year this is what we did, and next year it's going to be the same. It's not.
There's no recipe, is there?
There's no recipe.
No recipe for earthworks and no recipe for grazing, really.
Yeah. So the little bits of ongoing maintenance on it, I mean, we've increased pasture in this little paddock alone by about 15 plus acres of pasture. So that benefit of having that against a little bit of maintenance is just no comparison.
Yeah. And that confidence, I guess, that you can be in a dry season like now in September and you've got this much grass.
Yeah, pasture on the ground.
And you've got one herd here for the whole of the paddocks of you and Carl, is that right?
Yeah. So 20 years I've been here and this is the best this has looked. Yeah, it's the most confident that I've been able to go, let's put 25 or 30 head in here for this amount of time, and it's the most confident that I've been to do that.
Yeah. One less worry, hey?